The forest when we were, you know.
Yeah.
Were you about to?
Oh, so you felt that, huh? But you got away with it.
Well, why didn't you?
Oh, oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot.